Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the AI effect in InShot App. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the InShot App and I'm going to open it, and after that we have to choose the video option, and after choosing the video, as you can see, these are the recent projects, so we have to click on the new because we want to create a new one. And then simply what we need to do, we have to choose the video. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and then simply we have to hit the right button, and after hitting the right, as you can see, now the video is here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the effect option, and after clicking on the effect option, as you can see, the second option is AI effect, so we have to click on the AI effect. And after clicking on the AI effect, as you can see, the effects are provided into group wise in the categories as well. So if you want to choose them from here, like the glow, celebrate and all, so you can do that. So for example, I'm going to the line, and here for example I'm going to choose this line one. So as you can see, how does it works, so as you can see, these are different ones, so if you want to use them, you can also do that like these. So in this way you can use the AI effect in your InShot app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use this effect in your video in InShot app. So see you guys in the next video.